Dosto, today we are talking about the future. A future that is already here. You have heard about AI. You have heard about ChatGPT. But what if I told you there is something even more powerful, something that can change your life? I am talking about Auto-GPT. This is not just another tool. It is an advanced AI agent. Think of it like a smart assistant. An assistant that doesn't just answer your questions. It completes entire tasks for you, all by itself. This is a game changer for everyone who wants to earn money online. It's like having a super intelligent employee who works 24/7 without getting tired. So what makes Auto-GPT so special? Its main power is autonomy. You give it a goal, and it starts working. It can browse the internet for information. It can think about the next steps. It can even create files and write code. It learns and improves as it works. Imagine you want to research a new business idea. You just tell Auto-GPT, find the top 5 competitors for a new coffee brand in Mumbai. It will go online, find the information, analyze it, and give you a detailed report. This is the kind of power we are talking about. It's not just a chatbot, it's a doer, a creator, a problem solver. This is not science fiction anymore. This is reality, happening right now in August 2025. Many people think AI is just for fun or for big tech companies. That is not true. Tools like Auto-GPT are here for you, for students, for freelancers, for small business owners. It is a tool that can help you save time. It can help you make more money. It can help you achieve your dreams faster than ever before. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. The future is accessible, and it is waiting for you to grab it with both hands. The best part? This technology is becoming easier to use every single day. It's like when smartphones first came out. Initially, they were complex, but soon they became simple enough for everyone. Auto-GPT is on the same path. It represents a shift from just asking AI for information to giving AI a mission. This is the next level of human-AI collaboration. It's about giving instructions and letting your AI agent do the heavy lifting. This is the secret weapon that will separate successful freelancers from the rest in the coming years. Get ready to upgrade your skills and your income. Okay, so you are excited. You want to start. How do you set up Auto-GPT? Let's break it down into simple steps. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. For the tech-savvy Dosto, you will need a few things. First, you need Python installed on your computer. It's a popular programming language. Next, you need a GitHub account to download the Auto-GPT files. Finally, you will need 2 special keys, like passwords for AI. One is an OpenAI API key, and the other is a Google Search API key. These keys allow Auto-GPT to use the power of these large platforms for its tasks. Once you have these things, the process is straightforward. You download the code from GitHub, you put your API keys into a configuration file. Then, you run a simple command in your terminal. And that's it. Your Auto-GPT is alive and ready for its first mission. There are many simple YouTube tutorials that show you this process step by step. Just search for how to install Auto-GPT. You will find amazing guides that will hold your hand through the entire setup. Take it one step at a time, and you will have your own AI agent running in no time. But what if you are not a tech person? What if words like Python and GitHub scare you? Dosto, the community has got you covered. There are now many GUI versions of Auto-GPT available. GUI means Graphical User Interface. It means you don't have to deal with code. You just use a simple, user-friendly dashboard. You click buttons and fill in boxes. It's as easy as using any other software on your computer. These versions make Auto-GPT accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. It's a truly democratizing force in the world of AI. So, your first mission is to choose your path. Do you want the original, code-based version for more control? Or do you prefer a simple, click-and-play GUI version to get started quickly? There is no right or wrong answer. The goal is to get started. Don't let fear or confusion stop you. The most important step is the first one. Spend an afternoon setting it up. Play with it. Give it a simple task, like find me 3 healthy breakfast recipes. See how it works. This small step can be the beginning of a huge new chapter in your career. Now for the most exciting part. How do we turn this amazing tool into a money-making machine? We use it for freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of clients who need help. They need tasks done that Auto-GPT is perfect for. You are not just a freelancer anymore. You are a freelancer powered by an AI agent. This is your superpower. You can deliver work faster, better, and more efficiently than anyone else. This allows you to handle more clients and earn much more money. It's about working smarter, not harder. Let's talk about specific services you can offer. The first big one is content research and blogging. A client wants a 2,000-word blog post on the benefits of yoga. Normally, this takes hours of research and writing. With Auto-GPT, you give it the goal. It will browse the top articles, gather key points, find scientific studies, and structure the entire blog post for you. It can even suggest titles and keywords for SEO. Your job is to check the facts, add your personal touch, and deliver a high-quality article in a fraction of the time. This is a service that is always in high demand. Another huge area is market research. Businesses always need to know about their competitors, market trends, and customer opinions. This is a high-value service. You can charge a lot for a good market research report. You can use Auto-GPT to create these reports. For example, a client asks for a report on the electric scooter market in India. Auto-GPT can scan news articles, company websites, and government reports to create a detailed document. It can find data on market size, key players, and future growth. You become a research analyst overnight, but it doesn't stop there. You can also offer services like email automation, where you use Auto-GPT to write personalized email campaigns for businesses. Or you can offer lead generation, where you ask Auto-GPT to find potential customers for your client based on specific criteria. You can even manage social media content creation. The possibilities are endless. Think of any task that involves research, writing, and organizing information online. Auto-GPT can help you with it. You are selling speed, efficiency, and intelligence. That's a combination clients will happily pay for. Okay, let's talk numbers. How do we get to that magic figure of 1 lakh rupees per month? It's not a dream, it's a plan. Let's create a simple step-by-step strategy. We need to break down the goal. 1 lakh a month is about 3,333 rupees per day. Our goal is to find clients and deliver services that help us reach this daily target. The key is to offer high-value services that save your clients a lot of time and money. When you provide immense value, you can charge a good price for your work. Don't compete on being the cheapest. Compete on being the best and fastest. First, create your profile on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Make it look professional. Clearly state the services you offer. Use keywords like AI-powered market research, fast blog content creation, or Auto-GPT specialist. This will attract clients looking for modern solutions. Start with 2 or 3 core services. For example, focus on blog writing and market research. These are easy to start with and have many potential clients. Create a portfolio. Do a few small projects for yourself, like writing a blog post or creating a sample market report to show potential clients. Now, let's talk about pricing. To make 1 lakh rupees, you don't need hundreds of clients. You just need a few high-paying ones. For a detailed market research report that might take a normal freelancer a week, you can deliver it in 2 days with Auto-GPT. You can easily charge 20,000 to 25,000 rupees for such a report. If you get just 4 such clients in a month, you have already reached your 1 lakh goal. Or you could offer a monthly blog writing package. For example, 8 high-quality, researched blog posts for 30,000 rupees per month. 3 or 4 clients on this package will also get you there. Finding your first clients is the biggest challenge. Start by applying to relevant jobs on freelancing platforms. Write a personalized proposal. Explain how your AI-powered approach can deliver results faster. Offer a small paid sample task to build trust. Once you get your first client and deliver amazing work, get a good review. That review is like gold. It will help you get the next client and the next. The momentum will build. The journey from 0 to 1 lakh is about getting those first few happy clients who believe in your new age service. Earning your first 1 lakh rupees is a huge milestone, but our journey doesn't stop there. The goal is to build a sustainable, long-term business. A business that gives you financial freedom. The key to this is building relationships with your clients. Don't just deliver the work and disappear. Focus on getting repeat clients. A happy client who comes back every month is much more valuable than a new one. How do you do this? By over-delivering. Always give a little more than what they asked for. If they asked for a 10-page report, give them a 12-page report with an extra section on future trends. Communication is also super important. Keep your clients updated on the progress. Be professional and friendly. After the project is done, send a thank you note. Maybe a week later, send them a useful article related to their business. These small things show that you care. They build trust and turn a one-time transaction into a long-term partnership. These repeat clients will become the foundation of your freelancing empire. They will provide you with a stable, predictable income every single month. This is how you move from just freelancing to running a real business. Another bonus tip for growing your income is to upsell and cross-sell. Upselling means offering a better, more premium version of the service. For example, if a client wants a blog post, you can upsell them to a package that includes social media posts and an infographic based on that blog post. Cross-selling means offering them a different, related service. If you did market research for a client, you can cross-sell them your blog writing service to help them attract customers based on that research. Always be thinking about how you can provide more value to your existing clients. Finally, remember that AI is not just a passing trend, it is the future of work. What we are discussing today is just the beginning. Learning to use tools like Auto-GPT is no longer a hobby. It is a serious career skill. It is an investment in your future. By starting now, you are putting yourself ahead of millions of other people. You are becoming a pioneer in the future of freelancing. So take this knowledge, apply it with courage and discipline, and go build the life you have always dreamed of. The power is literally at your fingertips. All the best.